Hello to all of you. I want to present and to show how am I editing M101, the pinwheel galaxy. The images I got from my Seestar, and there are more than 300 captures. You can see them here on a folder called Lights, and this folder is under another folder called M101. And every exposure is about 30 seconds, so it's a lot of data. And let's make out of all of this data, let's make an image out of it. So first of all, I'm opening Siril, and Siril is opening, and here we have Siril. And now I will say to Siril that our home directory is the directory where the images are, is the upper directory above the lights. So I'm going here and I'm going to my Seestar directory and I'm choosing M101. This is this folder. I'm not getting into the lights folder, I just this folder, and the folder that inside I'm not getting into it, and I'm saying open. This is the first thing I'm doing. The second thing is to stack all the 300 or more images that I have in the lights folder. So here I go into scripts, and this is a free script that I've installed in Siril. It's called Seestar Pre-Processing. So it's already know where the folder of the lights is, so I just have to running the street and he's working. I will make this the movie, I'll make it shorter, but it will take some minutes to make. So let's wait. Oh, after 2 minutes and 32 seconds, everything is finished. So now I can continue to work. So what it is created a one fits file which contain all the data from all the 300 and more exposures. So I'm going to open, and now you can see the file that it created. This is a fits file. It's 24.9 megabytes in size. Here are the lights folder, and here is the process folder. Please delete it after you process all the images, because it contains a lot of data, and it is very big. It is several dozens of gigas most of the times. You just have to get rid of it. But I will open this image, the processed image, and now here I don't see nothing. Okay, and from here I can begin to work. So first of all, now this is in linear stage, and I'm going here down in the middle of the Siril where it's called linear, and I'm going to auto stretch. And here I can see the galaxy. It looks very nice with a lot of stars, and this is not very good image, and now we can process it and make it quite much nicer image. So let us begin. First of all, the thing that we do, let us crop a bit the image. Let's make it only the galaxy itself. So let's make it something like this, or maybe contain this big star. Yeah, this is, I think this is enough. Maybe something like this. And here I can get rid of from these stars, just this. And I draw this rectangle, and with the right button of the mouse I'm choosing to crop. So now I have only the galaxy itself. a lot of noise here, but let's do the flow how it should be done. First of all, let's deal with the background. So I'm going into this menu, image processing, and I'm choosing background extraction. And here I'm pressing generate. So I have a lot of rectangles here, and it recognizes already the galaxy, but some of the rectangles are on the galaxy. So I will, with the right click on the rectangles, I will delete them because I want the galaxy to be clean. So let's clean everything around the galaxy, because we want the galaxy to be as clean as we can. It's like a computer game, like was the Atari 40 years ago. Let's make it clearer here. I think this is enough. It's clear enough. So after I clear this, I ask him to compute the background. So you have to clear all the red rectangles from your object that you are trying to do. And now we can compute the background. We can do it and apply, and you can see now the background is much better than it was before. And from here we're going to the second stage. We're going from here and we ask to remove the green noise. So just move this until the maximum and just apply. So we removed all the green noise. Still a lot of noise, but the background is much better, and soon we will remove also the noise. The third thing we are doing is to correct the colors. So we're going into image processing, color calibration, and we ask the photometric color calibration. And here we type the name of the galaxy, M101, and we ask to find it. And it finds it, and we press here OK. And the colors was corrected, so we can close this. So now we are with correct colors and we can continue. The next thing we do, we will remove the stars from the image, and then we will stretch the histogram manually. So first of all, how to remove the stars? We do it with StarNet. StarNet is an add-on that I installed to the Siril, and with star processing I'm opening the StarNet, and first of all I'm removing the stars. So I mark here and here, and I'm executing, and it will complete it. Now we have the image without any stars. It is still, we have a special another file with the stars on it that we will bring again to the image soon. So now we can begin to stretch the histogram manually. So we will move from auto stretch here. We're going back to linear. Okay, this is better. Now this is linear, we don't see anything, we can begin. So first of all, we are going into the ascene transformation. We're going here and we stretch from here. It is very delicate stretch. I'm going maybe a third of the thing that I can move to here, only third, and I can already see very nice image of the galaxy. I can also move the black point to make it black, but I don't need to touch it from here. This is okay for me, like this, and I'm doing apply. Then I'm going into generalized hyperbolic stress transformation. This is another way of transformation. First of all, you can see that the histogram got a bit stretched. It is not a very thin line. It is already stretched, what we did with the async transformation. And also here I'm stretching it not too much, something like this, just adding some more data. And with the highlight protection point, I'm moving a bit back so to keep the thing a bit black, or maybe not. I think this will be enough. Okay, and then after I did it, I'm going to the third histogram transformation. I'm going here, and I can also make some modification here. What I'm doing here, I'm checking where the histogram begins to rise, which is here on the left side, and also here on the right side. I have to be very delicate with moving this ruler, so I'm moving it. I can enlarge it a bit to see it, and I can move it very, very little until it begins, and also the arrow here until it begins. I'm trying to keep the histogram that it will be on the other histogram. You can see here it moved, and I'm just bringing it here like this, and you can see some more light in the image itself. I think this will be enough for us, maybe like this. I have to keep the zeros here to be zeros, not to clip anything. And okay, I think this is good enough. I think this image is quite good, and you can see very nice arms of the galaxy going like this. So I'm applying this, and I'm saying maybe another time to move it, and move it here a bit again. Apply. I think this is enough. So I'm closing it, and I'm done with stretching the image. Now I will keep the image, and I will move to another software to remove the noise. So I'm saving here the image as a TIFF file like this, and I'm saving it. Now I'm going to open another software. It's called GraXpert. Let's look for it. It's called GraXpert, this one. This is a free software. The Siril is free. StarNet to remove the stars is free. GraXpert is free. So you can do a lot of things for free. Don't have to buy any expensive software. This is the software. First of all, I'm loading the image, so I'm going to the folder that I'm working on. This is this folder. You can see there are already some images that is made. This is the first image that is made after the stacking. This is the starless image in FITS format, and this is the starless image in the TIFF format. This is what we will open. And this is the star mask. This is the image that contains the stars that we will bring back to the image. So I'm opening the TIFF file here, and I have it here, and you can see it's very, very noisy. This software is using AI technology to remove noise. So I'm going here to denoising, and I'm just ask it to denoise. I have a graphic card on my computer. It can remove noise very fast, and here you can see the image without any noise. It's not, the background is not too black, but it's okay. So I'm saving this image. This is enough for me. Save selected, and I'm saving it as a TIFF file, and I'm going back to Siril. In Siril, I'm opening the image, and I can see the image here. It's called, you see, this is the image, and I can, it is also written here, GraXpert denoised. This is the image that was denoised. So I'm asking to open it, this image, and you can see here the galaxy already denoised, a very nice image of the galaxy without any stars. So now we want to bring back the stars, and so when we want to bring back the stars, we need to transform this image into a FITS file again. So I'm saving it again, and I'm asking to be it a FITS file, and I'm asking to save. Keep in mind that it should be again 32 bits floating point mode, and I'm saving it. Now I can go to the stage to bring back the stars. So I'm going here into image processing, into star processing and star recomposition. I have to open two images. First of all, the image that is the denoise image in the FITS format. This is this image, you can see it here. And the second one is the star mask image, which is this one. I'm opening here. Now I can move. You can see already the stars. So now I can stretch the star image like this, and you can see that the stars are coming back again. I can stretch it very much. It will be like this, but I want the stars to be not as they were before, but less before, but still the stars in the same place they were before. The ethics of the photography, or the astrophotography, is very important to keep everything as it was, not to invent anything, not to add anything, and not to remove anything that wasn't or was not in the image. So I think this thing is okay. I can also stretch again the galaxy. Maybe I will stretch it a bit like this, so it will be some more light. And I can also make the black point, so the background will be more black, like this. Something like this. I think this is okay. Maybe more stars. Something like this. This is okay. So I'm applying here and applying here, and I'm closing this. And this is, I can use this image as it is, but I want to make some more modifications, or more to improve it more. So now I will save this image. First of all, I want to work now with Photoshop on this image. So I'm saving it as a 16-bit file, and I'm saving it as a TIFF file. Again, TIFF file contains a lot of data, and I'm saving it like this, saving it, and now I can open Photoshop. So I'm going here, I will open my Photoshop. And I will open this image. This is M101. This is the image that I want. And I'm opening the last image that I made. This is this image. From here I'm going to filter, camera raw filter. This is a fantastic add-on to Photoshop that it comes with every Photoshop, or at least for 10 years, maybe more. And first of all, I'm pressing the auto, but this is too much for me, so I will do it manually. First of all, deal with the light, little bit the exposure. Let's see if to increase the contrast or decrease it. So I will increase it a bit, the contrast, and highlights maybe a bit, not too much shadows. I want the background to be black, so I'm moving the shadows to the left side. Whites, not too much. Everything you should do very gently, not to exaggerate anything. Okay, and blacks also too. This is okay. Now with the color, I like the color most of the time to be a bit bluish, really little bluish, and a bit to the red, and to increase the vibrance of the colors and the saturations of the colors. This is very nice. And now I'm going to the effects and I'm increasing the texture of the thing and the clarity here also. This is also doing quite nice. I can do the dehaze. Maybe it will also to make the background bit darker. Vignette. So just to keep it dark again. I think we almost finished. Let's go to the detail and make it sharper a bit. And still we remove the noise, but let's make the noise reduction a bit more, not too much. What color? No, it's okay. I think it's okay. Maybe here on the effects I will increase the texture again, but not too much. Okay, I think this is okay. This is the image that we have now. If we're going back to Siril, see, this is what we had in the Siril. This is what we have now. It's mostly it's a personal, what every person likes more. Some people like the end result of the Siril. This is enough for them, and some people want it more like I did in the Photoshop. I can save it here. I can export it as a PNG. I will save it in another name because I've already don't want to win something that I already did. M101, okay, like this. Save. And now I can do another thing. The Seestar is a very low resolution sensor. So this image is if we go here to the image size, it's 660 by 757 pixels. This is really a thumbnail. It's very, very small, almost unprintable. So what I'm doing now most of the time is to open this image and to enlarge it with AI software like Topaz, but I'm using an open source AI upscaler, which I installed already in my computer. So I will show it to you. I have it here on my drive. This is this one. I will open it. It's called Astro Seluth. I will put in the description of the movie links to all of the software that I've used here, so you can download and install it on your computer, except the Photoshop, which is you have to buy to use it. So now I will take better like this, and I will browse file. Here I have where is my PNG? I saved it on the downloads here. This file, and I want to upscale it. It will upscale it at least 2 times for each direction. So I'm asking to upscale. And this is the upscaled image. which is quite nice. And if I will download full resolution and I will open it, with Photoshop, it's okay. And you will see now the image size is 2600. This is an image size that we can use to print and to print it at least on A4 page, or maybe even larger, A3 or something larger. So this is something that I think it's okay. You can edit here if you want to write something, but this is the end of what I wanted to show, how I'm editing an image with open source and also with commercial software. So I hope you enjoyed, and we will meet in the next movie.